No, he's not.
This before.
How do you think we did on the hike, Vanessa?
Great.
Vanessa, would you go on another hike with us again?
Yeah. maybe a shorter one.
Hold up, Vanessa lied though.
How?
She said it was 3 miles and it's 4.
It was 3.68.
Yeah, you said it was 2 up and 2 down.
Do not believe me.
I'm about to head out to Los Angeles. Gonna do a podcast with John Luna and Alex Holiday. That's at 1 p.m. And then I have another one at 3 p.m. with the guy I never met before. He hit me up online, but he seems like a nice fellow. Hopefully I don't get murdered. I didn't have enough time to eat breakfast, so I got some carrot cake. That's hilarious. I didn't have enough time to eat breakfast. It's fucking 11, dude. I woke up at 9. That's because I read. I just checked the GPS, and I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna be very late. It says that I'm gonna get there at 1:13. That's my bad. Alright, I just got here to John's house to do the low effort, high reward podcast. I got here at 1:03, so I made it. Alright, I'm still late actually. I should probably go knock on the door. I just finished up here at the podcast. It is 2:42. They're the low effort, high reward podcast. Now I gotta go over to the Josh Snyder's podcast. It's 10 minutes away, so I'm right on time. Hopefully I find parking. Just pulled up here to the studio, and it is 2:59. He's I just texted him. He said he's inside. He'll come out and get me right now. I gotta pee, so I hope he comes out soon.
It's like
I just finished up doing the podcast here with Josh Snyder. A thoughtful discussion, and his wife Deborah. Very nice people. Now I'm gonna see if I can go do an open mic at 5, and then I think I can make the riff mic in Riverside at 9. I think I can do this. I just got a Costco. I don't have a Costco card, but I'm gonna see if I can sneak in and get some cheap food. I don't think you need a card. I made like a whole thing about it. I'm like, oh, I wanna sneak in. I literally just walked in. I thought I was gonna be all like, gonna have to be sneaky. Literally just walked in. They can't all be events, Frankie. You can't make getting a hot dog an event. Stop trying to force it.
It's Frankie, man. Go for Frankie, boy.
Just finished up the mic here in Flashback. Was this Burbank or the Valley? I don't know. But now I'm about to head all the way down to Riverside to do a Brooks bar.
all right.
Like walking out the door, the fucking Flash. Making me feel like I'm going back in time to fucking the time that I stole lube in high school. I take it out.
Saliva, spit on it, right?
Oh, Jesus Christ, sir. I would, but I was sick that day. I didn't want to spit a loogie into my girlfriend's clitoris. Alright, so the mic went great. It went pretty good. I got on stage twice today, and I did 2 podcasts, which was fun. And it is 9:43 p.m. I gotta get home because I gotta wake up for work tomorrow. Not that early, thank God, but I still gotta do some editing. Yeah, alright, I'm here at work. I got 3 loads today. I might do 1 mic, dude. I had some free time, so I just came by to look at my childhood home. I almost got teary-eyed here. I don't know how long I could stay. I've been staring at the front lawn for maybe 2 minutes. I'm not sure how long I could stare at it without people getting creeped out. Damn, dude. Honestly, I fucking love this neighborhood, dude. Like, there's the cholos that fucking... Oh, those are different cholos. That's crazy. The cholos just like switch houses. Different cholos live in that house. Do they just keep selling it to each other? I like driving around these areas, man. It's just really, really, really nice. It reminds me of my childhood. It was a good one. I noticed that my mom never really let me leave the block, so I started sneaking out when I was 13 to the block over. And the first thing I noticed was that the sidewalks were higher on the other blocks than on my sidewalk. And the reason why I noticed that was because I used to skate, and I was more scared of falling off the sidewalks on the other block than the ones on my block because they were higher. We just got here to Riverside. I'm about to do the Retro Taco open mic hosted by my homie Carlos Patino. Bro, this mic fucking sucks. It's like a classic open mic. It's like 3 people there in the back of a restaurant. Oh man, you'll see. No offense to Carlos, he knows it fucking sucks. He's about to stop hosting it. In his defense, we hosted one together at another restaurant that was equally as bad. I don't know why we do it. For the love of the game, Frankie. He told us a story. He was like, what the fuck, Joe? Completely disrespecting the art form. There was there's like a long line for the tamales. Did you guys see that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I walked and it was a white lady selling it. like even she was surprised. She was like, oh fucking make them. Yeah. It's 4 a.m. I got one load today. Delivery's at 6 a.m. Alright, just got back from the load. I'm back in Riverside. It's 7:50 a.m. I'm gonna take a sick ass little nap. I just woke up. It's 10:24. It's 10:20 something. So I'm about to head out to Los Angeles. Yeah, I just got here to the mic. It's 11:43 p.m. I'm gonna be here for 2 hours. Do the 12 p.m. and see if I can sneak into the 1 p.m.
All right, let's go to the stage. You know we love Frankie. Hoi, get him on down. Let's just out. Hoi, Frankie. Hoi.
All right, I came to a Thai restaurant. I'm very shy to film, but I got a pad Thai. You can't go wrong with the pad Thai at a Thai restaurant, and everything here is spelled in Thailand letters. All right, the food just got here. It looks great. Just finished the Thai food. It was pretty good. We had better, but it wasn't that. It was pretty cheap, dude. It's $13. I guess it's not that cheap, huh? Yeah, I got ripped off. Yeah. All right, just got to the 3rd mic. I signed up for 2, so I just got to the 3rd and 4th mic of the evening.
Up for Frankie boy.
Yeah, I was standing too close to you guys when you guys were smoking weed. I saw you guys, I was like, I'm not gonna do it. And then I thought about it for half a second, I was like, should I? And then I remembered what happens every time I do it, and it's exactly what the fuck happened to you, dude. Just finished up with the mics here. They're 2 and 2, that's 4. I'm good at math. And now I'm gonna head down to Riverside for Worthington's.
One Frankie. Hoi.
Has anybody been around here? Yeah. In Mexico? What? Alright. Jesus, I mean, you got lucky you're still here. Christ. No, in Mexico, they take you. They don't care about your shit. They go, this one looks better. Alright, it's Friday morning. I'm going to LA to do an open mic at 4. Oh, Jack's coming over today. So that'll be fun. Jack Barth.
Frankie, hoi, get him on. Yeah, Frankie.
Anyways. Smooth moves, spaz.
All right, where are you guys?
It's the first time in Ikea. It's my first time in this.
It's also my first time in Ikea.
Jack Barth, are you excited?
I am very excited.
And let's go from 1 to 10.
12,000.
Oh, I'm gonna try the meatballs too. I heard
They have horse in the meatball. They have horse. They don't tell people that though.
What's your impression of the smell?
Swedish.
It smells weird.
It does smell weird.
It smells weird.
It smells kind of like meatballs mixed with furniture. That bed housed you. What? I want a refund. Hello. This is how Americans lived in 2022. We are in the exhibit of the American living room. That one's definitely like a 2.
What about this one?
That one's like an 8.
That was pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I like the colors in that one. Why get a chair in your living room when you could get a bathtub?
They tied these 2 fingers together so you can't make them flip anybody off.
Smart Swedish motherfuckers.
This is very exciting. We got lost.
We're lost somewhere in Ikea. We've been here for 7 years. Stupid people.
Excuse me, how do I get to the kitchen?
You're almost there.
Oh, no, not the kitchen side, the food.
Yeah, you're almost there.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
I can smell it.
you get a cart? Or how does it work? Can you just get a tray?
I feel like I'm at the airport.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I just grab it?
Yeah, you can grab it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, ow. Here I am. He has the napkins.
Can I taste one?
This it's like hospital food.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. It's like that level.
Yeah, why was there a long line for this? Is there hot sauce?
No. They don't use hot sauce in Sweden. It'll kill all of them. It's harder.
What do you think about your soda?
It's bad.
What
I hate Swedish soda.
It's German.
It's
Would you recommend somebody to come here?
No.
no.
Eat here?
Eat here? Yeah, my worst enemy.
What's your favorite food?
Like this. Jack hated
I
it.
don't like that.
Jack hated it.
It's bad.
He threw it away.
Now we gotta go to the show. Yeah. We just got to the show. It's back here in it's in this alley. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Feels like a fucking Eric Andre show episode. The one-legged lady left, dude. Dude, she's dating a doctor. She has one leg. That's tight. I think she had two legs. She's dating an astronaut, dude. And my friend told me that his mom was hot, but I saw her and she wasn't. Why'd you tell me your mom was hot? Did I gotta see pictures of her when she was younger? Alright. How's that right?
You're jealous of my dance moves, Alex.
No, he's not.